Hey everybody, it's Justin with the Needly Detailing. I was not going to do this video, but I said, you know what? I think this will be a pretty cool experiment. I'm going to try to use a rayon pad on my stovetop. It's glass and it's etched and it's just not good. Let me show you the stovetop in question here and then we'll get to work. I've already tried to clean this with all kinds of different stuff. I used magic eraser, cleaner, degreaser, all the things, and I can't seem to get a lot of, well, you can see. Pretty easy to see here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and try a rayon pad on my Rupes polisher. I'm just going to go ahead and work on it, let the video run in the background, and we'll see how it goes. Tools we're going to be using is a Rupes polisher, 5-inch, and a rayon pad, and Sonax glass polish. Apply the polish to the pad. I'm going to spritz it with water. And I'm not going to talk probably most of the way through this, but just so you can kind of see what I'm using. The main thing with glass polish is you want to keep it wet. If you don't keep it wet, it'll dry out on you and it can cause issues. So just make sure you keep a bottle of water around that. Well, that's how I do it anyways when I polish automotive glass, when I'm removing scratches and things like that. So as you see me spritzing, that's just DI water that I have. I make my own water, 0 ppm water, very pure, and I'll keep spritzing it on the surface as this stuff dries out. I'm either going to demolish this thing or it's going to look amazing. Let's get to it. I'm gonna start on super low speed. Well, it's picking up something. I'm just gonna use water to wipe it. Another thing is I'm starting with super light pressure because I'm not exactly sure how this is going to go. As you can see, it's picking up some stuff. I'm going to rinse this. Well, there's a little improvement, not a lot. I probably should have done this first. I found a razor blade, and to remove the high spots, I just did this one over here. But if you look at this right here, I went over it with the cerium oxide and the rayon pad, and it's remained. Quick scratch with the razor, and there we go. I'm going to use some cleaner, just give it some lubrication, just to help to avoid scratching the surfaces. Now I'll go back over with some more glass polish and a rayon pad. Let's see what happens. See if it'll do anything. Well, that's a heck of a lot better, I'll say that. Certainly not perfect, but short of retiring on this thing, this is so edged. I don't know that you can get through all of that without just really spending a lot of time on it. I think on that note, that's a detailer's way of polishing or cleaning a glass stove. Just get out your DA polisher, some cerium oxide, a rayon pad, and make multiple passes on it. Use a razor first. And I would say you can get pretty decent results.